rational versus real versus just zeros by themselves. Right, so if it asks you to find all the rational zeros here, and they give you the following equation. Okay, what is it that you're going to need to do to find the zeros? You'll take this expression, solve it, with that equation equal to what? 0. So that is what you're finding. You set it equal to 0. Those are your zeros. And so if we identify this, type in our expression just as it appears. Okay, set it equal to 0 and identify that you want to solve for x. When you hit enter, you get your solution. Okay, so if you look at this, you get x is equal to -1. It's equal to negative quantity square root of 2 minus 1. And again, if you keep moving, it also equals square root of 2 plus 1. So here are the 3 zeros. Now, would you expect there to be 3 zeros for this?
Yes.
Yeah, why? Yeah, remember, whatever the power is, that's the number of zeros you have, real or imaginary. So we have 3 zeros here. Remember, as far as entering these, when you enter your answers, -1 would be easy. Always write your integer part first, followed by the radical, so 1 plus root 2. That makes this one same terms, 1 and root 2, but the different sign between, and you can confirm it. If you distributed this, you get a negative root 2 and a positive 1. Just reorder the terms. Okay, now, which of these would you enter into your answer if I asked you for rational zeros? Is -1 a rational number? Can it be expressed as a fraction? Yeah, it's just -1 over 1, right? Hey, what about 1 minus square root of 2? No, the square root part is irrational. So neither of these would be included in the solution if it's asking for rational zeros. Okay, you're only finding the -1. If I asked you for all real zeros, which ones would you include? Would you include 1 minus root 2? Yeah. Okay, the irrational numbers are included in the real zeros. If I asked you to find all zeros, also you'd include all of those. And so again, just be really careful when they're asking you for the specific types of zeros. Make sure you can distinguish between rational, real, and just all zeros that include, again, all complex zeros, including any imaginary numbers.